How are you doing today? I'm so happy you're back watching me off of your laptop, iPad, phone, any sort of device. Anyway, today we are going to be learning still about simple machines. Are you ready? There was about 6 simple machines I described to you in a previous video, and this is the second one now. So, it's a lever, and this is what it looks like, so we get a better picture. A lever is a board or a rod that turns on a fixed point, which is called a fulcrum. A lever makes it easier to fill or move objects. So I'm going to read a little bit about this book, and we have 2 separate projects to do, and I'm also going to be posting links on top of this in case you want to do more projects at home. So the book is called Lever, and if you look, do you boys and girls notice what that is? Have you ever seen one of these? It's a seesaw, and some parks have them. And you and a friend can go on it, and one of you will go up while the other one of you is down. Just like in this picture, this girl is up and this girl is down. So there are different parts of a lever. A lever is a long bar. The bar sets on a point called the fulcrum. The fulcrum does not move. Force is put on either end of the lever, and it will either lift it or drop it with the force. It depends what side weighs more. So I did want to just show you that this is the project that we will be doing today. But right here is the point that we're talking about, and this triangle, it's a fulcrum, and that's what's lifting what's weighing more and what's weighing less. Let me see if I was done with the book. Levers can work together with other levers. A scissor is an example of a compound lever. Each half of a scissor is a first-class lever. They are joined at the fulcrum. Scissors cut paper more easily, and they go like this. Miss Santos, do you have a pair to show our friends?
I do. Don't do this at home, but there it is, Miss Trophy. Once you open up the scissors, there it is. You want to show them where the fulcrum is?
It is right here in the center, which actually, if you turn it around, it's a screw that's holding it together.
If we didn't have that screw, it would be falling apart.
The scissors would not be together. Thank you, Miss Santos.
You're very welcome, Miss Trophy.
So we have 2 different activities today, and you can do this with the materials you have at home. So for example, I already completed mine, but it is, I used it with construction paper. I just cut up some squares. I cut up a line to be the bar, and I cut up a triangle. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 is more than 1. So this side of the lever is going down because it's heavier. Do you think that you can show our friends at home how to make one?
Sure.
So these pieces were already pre-cut for the video.
So if you have construction paper, different colors would work better. So we're going to start. If you have glue, that will work, or tape, whatever you have handy.
Tape or glue.
So we're going to start with the
fulcrum.
This is the base. We're going to paste that at the bottom. And then next we have a bar. I'm going to put glue. Make sure it gets all in there so it sticks. And then we're going to turn it over, and we're going to put it at an angle because we want
to see what is more and what is less.
Weighs more and what weighs less, correct. And now we're going to start with our weights. Put some glue on there, right, just like that. So maybe this will have, how many weights? Let's see.
Maybe you should, 2 is a good idea.
I think 2? Okay. And then on the other side,
The other
we're
side
gonna
has to have more?
Yeah.
Is that how that's going to work?
Is it supposed to have more?
I
I think so, right? Because if it's going
yes,
down
because it's
that
going
way,
down. So this
more
side
weight, yeah.
has to be heavier than this side.
Yeah, so we have to continue adding
Mhm.
as long as it's more than the other side.
And you can do this even with pasta at home, beads,
Whatever you have handy. That you
any
can
type of
use.
material for the more or less.
Put maybe one more. That's all you need. So on this side, we have how many?
One, two.
And on the other side, the opposite side, we have
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Which one weighs more? 2 or 4? Which one is heavier? If you said 4, you are correct. Good job. So this is one project that we can do at home, and we are going to show you another one. Good job, Miss Santos. I love what you just did.
Thank you, Miss Shofi.
These are popsicle sticks. We attach with rubber bands. We attach 1, 2, 3, 4 together with rubber bands, and then we put one on top, one on the bottom, and attach it with rubber bands. So it looks like this. This is also another form of a lever. Now what you can do with this is, can you please assist me in just holding down the bottom? Is you can put your pom-pom on it, for example. Pull down with your finger, put your pom-pom on it, and when it's flat, you let it go, and it pops up. I'm going to do it one more time with the pom-pom, and then I'm going to use a different object. So if you have popsicle sticks at home, this is something really fun. I'm going to redo it, and this is a really fun project to show the kids what really a lever is. 1, 2, 3. Now we also have a button, which is a little bit heavier than a pom-pom, so we're going to see how far the button goes. 1, 2, 3.
Didn't go very far, did it?
Didn't. Let's try one more time.
Try one more time, Miss Chofi.
1, 2, 3. Which one went further? Did the pom-pom go further, or did the button go further? Which one was lighter? If you said the pom-pom, you are correct. The pom-pom landed all the way over here, and the button didn't make it that far from the lever. It was right next to it almost. So now that we're done with the projects, I'm going to be posting other links so you can also access that to create these different picture of what lever you created, whether it's something like this, or something completely different. Even if maybe you go to the park and you see a seesaw, you can take a picture of that and please post it to Google Classroom or Dojo. So Miss Chofi can see it and Miss Santos.
I can't wait to see what you post, guys.
Me either. I'm so excited for this. Bye. See you
Bye,
soon.
friends.